When it comes to electrical wiring, secure connections are especially important. AutomationDirect is your solution for all electrical needs, including the best wiring connectors from WAGO and METEcon. For quick and easy splicing, check out WAGO's series of polycarbonate connectors. The 2773 series gives super-fast connections with their proprietary push wire technology, letting you terminate nearly all types of wires by simply pushing the wires in, no operating tools needed. The 221 LeverNet series let you connect all conductor types and cross-sections without tools or soldering by use of cage clamp spring technology. Its design will allow you to easily connect 2 to 5 wires in an encapsulated connection. For connecting multiple wires in a single connector, look no further than METEcon's series of multiwire inserts and housings. Options from 2 to 108 poles, plus your choice of die-cast aluminum with a polyester powder finish or self-extinguishing thermoplastic. The crimp contacts ensure gas-tight, corrosion-free connections with extremely low contact resistance. Suitable for electrical panels, power connections, or any other industrial applications. Find all your project needs at AutomationDirect.com. Click here to discover more wiring solutions. Click here to subscribe so you don't miss out on any new products, tutorials, or other AutomationDirect videos.